Hello, today I am back with another Minecraft Forge 1.8.9 morning tutorial. Today, I said that way too enthusiastically. Yay, let's learn some stuff. First of all, I'm going to just apologise for last week, the lack of an actual video coming out for this, because I tried to record this and guess what? It didn't work. It didn't work. Wonderful. I just went straight in and did that. Shut up, Skype. Shut up. Shut up. Oh wait. Shut up. But yeah, first of all we need to start off by unchecking this. I have not even said what we're going to do yet. I'm not high, I promise. Or hyper or anything. Or what am I? But yeah, first, with what we're going to do today, we're going to add a tile entity into our game. And the tile entity is just going to be a simple storage tile entity, which will be the cheese block. We're going to turn it into a tile entity. That's from before when this didn't work. As is that. We're going to change our cheese block into a tile entity which we can store cheese in. Wonderful. And then at the end I'll explain some things that you can do with this, and also combining it with other things that we've learned before. So first of all, just uncomment this part that we added in like the first episode. And create a new thing, in the init package and call it tutorial tile entities and tile entities. And we want to just put that down there, and we just need one little method, public static void register. Boop boop boop. And we don't need to put anything into here yet because we're just that good at the game. This isn't a game, this is real life. That's actually very debatable, don't do that. And we need to create a new package called tile entities. And yeah. And in here we want to create a new class called tile entity cheese block. And then just make this extend the cheese, no, not the cheese block, the tile entity, tile entity. Here we go. Oh, I wrote extend rather than extend. Tile entity. And then we just want to go to the cheese block class, and we want this to implement tile entity provider, and add the unimplemented method, which will just create us our tile entity real quick. Do that, return new tile entity cheese block. Tile entity. You can also make this like act like a chest, like just a normal Minecraft chest, or a Minecraft double chest or something, or anything in Minecraft actually, by making this return anything from Minecraft, from just normal Minecraft. But obviously then you would still need to like do things like making it on right click. You need to make it still open the chest, open the GUI for the chest. So in here, first of all I'm just going to add a method. We'll just add this method just because why not. We want this to be called onBlockActivated. We're not going to do anything in here yet. We're just going to create the method. But now we're just going to go to here and make a couple of little variables. So we want a public static integer, and we want it to be cheese count. So that's just going to be how much cheese we have currently got stored in it. We want another int called maximum cheese. So that's just going to be the maximum amount of cheese that we can store in it. What else do we want? Pretty sure that's all we need. Yeah, that's all we need. And then we want to just create a public static void. I don't know if any of these things need to be static. I don't think they do, but doesn't hurt. But if it doesn't work, then we know why. public static void, and then we just want to call this add cheese. And this method is just going to cheese count plus plus. Nope. Yes. Yeah, cheese count plus plus. So that'll just increment the cheese count. And then we want a public static void remove cheese. We are going to make a couple of changes to that method actually. Cheese count minus minus. So if cheese count is less than the maximum cheese, just to make sure that we're not adding more cheese than our block can hold, we then want to increment the cheese block, amount of cheese. This is basically the same as just saying cheese count equals cheese count plus 1. It's basically the same thing, so you just do cheese count plus plus, or minus minus in this case. And here we want to make sure that if cheese count is greater than 0, and then just quickly shove that into there. And then we've just got our cheese and stuff. But then we do also need 2 more methods which we want to override. We want the write to MBT and read from MBT. And in these we are just going to store the cheese, pretty much. And so compound equals where is it? Or is it that I need to, I've forgotten what I need to do here. Oh wait, no. Compound. I've done this in the wrong place. That needs to go under there. We want compound dot. So that's writing to, yes. Just type int set integer here, and we want the key to just be cheese count. Let's just call it cheese count, and we want it to be equal to the cheese count. And here we want to do something similar. Compound dot read, dot get integer, sorry. Get integer, and we just want to get the cheese count. And what this will do, it will just store the cheese count to the actual thing, so that, like, say if you don't have this, if you log off or something, just leave the game or something, you'll just come back and there'll be nothing in there. And also it means that other players will also have that wonderful cheese in there for them. This is wonderful. I love this. I love Minecraft. This is a bad game. I mean, what? And what am I doing? Oh yeah, game. We want in here. We just want to register it. So register tile entity, and we just want tile entity cheese block dot class, and the ID we can just set to mod ID to make it unique plus cheese. No, let's call it tile entity cheese block. Give it the same name. Oh, wait, no, we don't want mod ID. We want reference dot mod ID, and then just import the reference. Oh, that's meant to be all caps. And then we just quickly go to here, import that, go to here, and in here we want to if player in dot get item in get held item, sorry, is equal to tutorial items dot cheese. What do you mean? Oh, new item stack, because this takes in an item stack. What? Oh yeah, import that. Then we want to go tile. Oh wait, first of all we need nope. Yeah, we want tile entity cheese tile entity equals new tile entity cheese block. There we go. So then we just want tile entity dot and cheese. Yep. So I'll just do that, and then wait, hold on. We just want to make a little check here. If not world in dot is remote. Just do that in there. There we go. And here we just want to check if the player is not sneaking. Player in dot is sneaking. Just want to make a check to see if it's not. That's what that exclamation mark does, by the way. It just changed it, like, so that would return true if they were sneaking. Then that will make it see, and then if that returned true, it would then run that without the exclamation mark. So you just add the exclamation mark to tell it if this returns false, and you want to do that. And you want to do that just there. And then here we just want an else statement to see if they are sneaking. And if, no, we don't want to make an if here. No, we don't. Tile entity dot remove cheese. And then we also want player in dot held item, get held item dot stack size minus minus, just to take one off of the stack size, the stack every time they do that. And we want to spawn we want to spawn in at world in at the block position. Yep, and then we just want a new item stack of the tutorial items dot cheese, and then that will hopefully work. Right, we've done that there, we've done that there, we've done that there. Okay, let's run the game. Quick thing I forgot to mention here actually is we want to set our cheese count to 0 and our maximum cheese count to 8, otherwise they'll both be initialized to 0 and we won't get anything happening. So just change that real quick and then run your game again. Okay, there is actually a problem with this method. For some reason this get held item check does not return true at all. I made a few checks to see why it wasn't returning true, but I can't seem to find out why. It is possible that it's just my game. If not, then just you can search around on the internet or something and try and find why. And if you do find why, please leave a comment, because I don't know why this isn't working. It normally works like this. But yeah, you can do some fiddling around yourself to see if it does, if you can find a way to get it work. But this isn't the only thing you can do with this. You can do other things like just creating something to give you an item no matter what. Or you can use it to, like, this on block activated. You don't actually need to do it like this. You can have it so it just opens like GUI, print something out to the console, print something into chat. You can really do anything with tile entities, because these tile entities, you can really do anything, just storing anything to a server, to the actual store anything to the game. So like say you can pretty much do anything. But yeah, this is just showing the basic actual idea of it, even if it doesn't really work properly. But yeah, thank you very much. That's gonna be it for today. I'll look into this and see if I can find why it doesn't work. If I do find the reason it doesn't work, I'll be sure to mention it at the start of the next video. But yeah, that is it for today. So thank you very much for watching. Definitely like and subscribe for more. So guys, and I will see you next time.